Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, this one they come from Uche Madugo. If you now see as this guy pour out in anger on top of Cross Bibi Nigeria. So what he make this guy go release in nude video? So what they even worry Cross on? I know say recently Cross released one video where we saying they shaking Bulala inside the video. People can't even complain. But later this guy can't claim say na mistake. But I know say some of them don't watch him. But those of them who never watch him, they can follow me watch. And I don't see the video, Abi. It be like say this video where this guy compose. It be like say na Uche na he pay him pass. I don't understand. Now there this guy carry the matter for it. Start to the shout for everybody. No be we even post video. Person we post video, you know go face am. Begin they shout. Say wetin they worry all this our here Briti. All of them just they post naked videos. All in the name of say they want shine. My people, make it follow me watch.
Honestly, I'm angry now. I see say Cross said don't release in nude picture. What is happening in Nigeria? What is happening? What are we celebrities turning this country to? How you go snap picture of your nude? You can't say a mistake. Are you I? Are you I? We are talking about Tiwa own. You Cross, come out. Are you people okay? What is wrong with you in this country? Must you display your ignorance on social media? You say a mistake. Which mistake? Nonsense. Nonsense and ingredients. See them. Yeah, pretty.
Hey, now wow. Oh God, this your para, he pass para. I need to ask, you sure say you don't get beef with Cross before? I be the vex say Bulala big pass your own because the way you carry this thing personal, I don't understand though. At least if you want crucify and jejely. Maybe by now Cross go here. But Uncle Cross, we supposed to talk your own self. I know they understand all of nowadays. See what Savage own did it. We never talk and finish. Now you have done this saying you want to show us your hot and pepper body. You can't go post your naked video, they post on Snapchat. Say you don't know how the thing tastes. I beg how you go talk say you don't know how the thing tastes. Person no go tell me say that video na mistake because he get caption. So for you to send caption, it means say you know what you they do. And how you go talk say na mistake. Even if na mistake, who you can't do the video for? Who you want send that? If like all this our celebrity, I mean, what's going call them? They just want they post something. Where we say go make them the trend. Maybe Cross don't realize and say okay, oh, in markets don't they go down. Now what you come make and decide okay, make I post my video, make girls see my hot skin. Maybe they go start to rush me again. Oh God, we no go rush you. Because this one it be like all of na don't they crazy, na don't they mad. And I don't turn this thing out to PR stunt. Everybody go just wake up, post nyash, post breast. I bet you na crazy, don't they worry na inside the whole industry. We suppose they begin the act on one by one, no? Because now don't they overdo this thing. If you know say you won't do this kind, at least go join model. Make we know say now what you want they do be this, they show your naked self. Then we gonna say okay, fine and good, or you go join people they do porn. But I feel say Cross do this one because say when Tiwa do it, oh, nobody complain. Everybody they praise her a queen and more, and sometimes people they praise her say okay, oh, as far as say she do this one, nothing they bad inside. So everybody they guess as trust na waiting make Cross on decide. So make him post the own because nobody condemn. Oh God, we go condemn this one because you be man. Last now person go marry you go be person papa. So as a father now so you come they show your bulala online. Say because you want trend, I beg you make this whole trend make it stop. Behind a challenge, behind a what on they do, I don't want to make it just end for there. We know they ready to engage anybody thin and breast. We don't tire. The one where we see already, and I know go even post better thing. Short thing. Where we say person what person go even the vex join them. Now what thing now go they post? If now one I don't still make na they post reasonable to, at least if we watch and we go enjoy them. Then out of the enjoyment, we still encourage you. Not the one we say we go see, we don't go even see anything. Sharp the thing don't pass. Now when they talk say na mistake. I beg and this mistake make it stop. My people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This story is now about the ex-Bibi Naija housemate Omoshola. He get one video with the trend of this guy now. It be like say this guy don't craze enter street. Because the way this guy look very tattered and dirty. I can't they want what if they worry this guy? Because make we not forget this guy be post say him dead depressed. And then nobody reason him matter. But it be like say now the whole depression don't carry this guy enter inside crazy. So for people who watch this video, they can follow me watch. God have mercy. Hey, on I sure say this one never pass depression. Because as I dey look this guy, it be like say this one don't be like mad person. Because make una look this guy well. But then when this guy talk say in dey depressed, in talk himself. Say it be like say sooner or later in go come up from a breaking point. Because it be like say things don't really dey hard for him. I can't wonder what exactly they worry this guy. Why be say no fit call out to a family member, call out to a friends? Okay, now like this the thing they do me. And person will even post this video, Ike, a fellow housemate for people Naija thing. The guy say he don't call this guy tired, he know they pick him call. No be say the line no they go, the thing they ring, but the person know they pick. Now what to make me come the reason I say on I sure say this thing, he never pass another level. I beg people who know make na find this guy, go meet him. Because if like say this whole depression too, they talk saying some people go talk say no be real. As far as say me and they concerned, this one they very real. Because if person don't they complain, we say no, it's okay, fine, nobody they give him the attention. Because in talk and say in they lonely, in as much as say in they surrounded by so many people, waiting this person they try talk. It means say in they on your own, and sooner or later if people no look inside, he may decide to kill himself. And some they talk say na skit, and not sure say na skit. Person where they ask skit, at least if they call him, in go pick him cause okay, fine, no, na film they act. But this one no they pick in just they live like say in don't craze, I be like say problem they follow up. So I beg I go advise make a family member at least try and locate this guy. And for other people say they still talking, make na they call on na family member, they check up on them. Now so this thing they start to be say go yes, person don't craze, person don't die. Now like this small now they start. So I beg make na they check up on people, make na know how far people they live their life. My viewers, now here I go end up on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story.